Greetings to all. Myself, Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the lecture series on the topic of choosing the chart type. Choosing the right chart type for data visualization, we have the five subcategories, that is comparison, composition, distribution, relationship, and the geographic. First one is the comparison. If your goal is to compare the values or show the relationship between the two different categories or the data points, we have to consider the following chart types, that is bar chart, column chart, line chart, scatter plot, and the bubble chart. Example for this comparison is we can in this category we can compare the any two products. Next one, composition. When you want to represent the composition or the distribution of data, we have to consider these following chart types, that is by chart, star bar, or the column chart, and the area chart. In this charts, we can represent that amount of composition of the particular data. Third one is the distribution. To visualizes the distribution of data and understand its spread, we have to follow these chart types. That is histogram, box plot, and the violin plot. Example for this distribution type, we have to visualizes the temperature of the particular city. Next one, fourth one is the relationship. When you want to illustrate the relationship between the variables or highlight the patterns, we can consider the following types, that is scatter plot, heat map, and the network graph. Here we are using that categories. Under the categories we visualizes their subcategories. Next, last one is the geographic. If your data has a geographic component, we consider using the geospatial visualization technique, that is choropleth map, point map, and the flow map. Here we have the example of map, that is we want to go if we want to go one place to another, we can visualize this through this flow map or the point map. Next, my mentee is going to have the debate on the topic of choosing the chart type.
Everyone, and we are going to talk about the topic have a debate on choosing the chart type, and I'm going to talk about bar chart. Bar chart is ideal for physical representation or visual representation of horizontal charts. Like we can compare it up to column chart. In column chart, we have vertical representation. Vertical representation, for example, we could take rainfall for December month. We can take like 2015, 2016, 17, and so on. And it could only represent a single value or single group of individuals representation. But simultaneously in bar chart, we could add up to three categories. Like it could be discrete categories or a group of individuals. Like in single bar chart, single category, we could add like 2015 years and December month, and in the places the rainfall is.
Hi all, I'm going to talk about flow map in data visualization. Flow map is a geographical representation map. In this geographical representation map, it can be used by what are in the data set, what are all the features in many countries that can be shown in this geographical data.
Winding chart. Winding chart is similar to box chart. It will have the kernel density, the estimation of data. It will have combination of both box chart and the distribution chart. Winding chart is mainly used for the numerical distribution of different variables. The middle line of a winding chart represents the median of the data. Mostly winding chart is used in the finding the statistical distribution between the ranges. Example. In particular day of temperature ranging from 27 to 32. That time the volume chart will be used to find the range between them.
My topic is line chart. The line chart is useful for showing trends and changes over time. It can also be used to compare. Line chart is useful for showing trends and showing trends.
Hi, I am going to explain about bubble chart. Bubble chart is a way to display of multiple data that evaluate the relationship between the multiple data. Bubble chart is a visualization is easy to understand the multiple data. Bubble chart have three variables. First one is bubbles, bubble size. Second one is position. Third one is colors. Example: x-axis is age, y-axis is income,